divide us. America looking like communist China. Got us arguing over election results.
Speed 8 kilometers H. Distance 8 kilometers. Data logging active.
They don't even care if you're sick no more. Long as you got money, you should take those pills. Distracted by systemic racism, you can't convince me that concept is real. That's propaganda from the left-wing news, while everyone stands for black people. I don't vote, I don't trust in Donald Trump or Sleepy Joe. Took our soldiers out Afghanistan, they're homeless when they're home. That ain't woke. The government claiming in God we trust, but I think that it's horseshit. Let me take that back, that's facts, but it's a different God that they worship. They trying to control us, they trying to force us, we living in hell. But their religion means violence and killing. Maybe they should start with themselves.
What happened to the free world? The land of the brave, but y'all are afraid. What happened to the free world? Used to fight for our sons, now we hide and we run.
Soldiers die overseas so you're free. Show the flag, you get mad, so unique. So unique how you scream over me. Don't get too close to me, I carry openly. You talk loud, but we know you soft and you ain't even got a backbone. A young kid left to protect your neck and he ain't never coming back home. I miss the old days when we disagree, but at least we still had patience. But if I don't think how you want me to think, you turn around and call me racist. That's not fight, everything's all good unless of course you white. That's not right, I will never say I'm sorry.
Time 9 p.m.
How you gonna act like a grown-ass man, but you really never had no job? Why you get mad? I ain't wearing no mask and I ain't trying to take no shots. The next 2 years gonna be rough. Better have thick skin tree trunk. What they gonna do when we come? Better own more than 3 guns.
What happened to the free world? The land of the brave, but y'all are afraid. What happened to the free world? Used to fight for our sons, now we hide or we run. While you're playing victims and blame politicians.
Speed 10 kilometers H. Distance 8 kilometers. Data logging active.
You think that you're different, but you're just fucked up. Fucked up. What happened to the free world? The land of the brave, but y'all are afraid. What happened to the free world? Used to fight for our sons, now we hide or we run.